This is my Condor EDC bag. This is my review and showing you what's inside. It's nice quality, nice strap of Velcro on here. You put morale patches and stuff like that on there. A nice sturdy strap. And the padding on the strap comes off by Velcro. On mine I put black paracord on the carrying handle. Carabiner there on the molly straps. There's molly straps on there. Molly straps there. On the sides, both sides exactly the same. There's concealed carry pouch, and I have a survival bag and a poncho in there. Here's the poncho. Survival bag's just a big heavy duty bin bag really. In here I have my keys, a tactical pen, a fire steel, a whistle, compass and torch, a Sharpie, big cobra weaved paracord belt, a hat, a bandana, and in the other pockets I have iodine tablets, a torch, lip seal, a strap that attaches to the bag, tissues, sorry I only have one hand, a survival kit, first aid kit inside a tobacco tin. There's like alcohol prep pads and plasters, or for if you're in America, band-aids. There is spare batteries and cable ties, batteries, a bunch of cable ties, and there's a secret pocket in here, but it's Velcro. 1 second, I'll put you down. It's down here, behind the zipper pocket, and I carry a knife in there. It's a copy of a Swiss Army knife really. Thank you. Rate, comment and subscribe please.